Hi guys, I'm Navonita. Welcome to my channel Foodie's Path. If you think of it, food has a universal appeal. It activates our five senses. I am not necessarily referring to a fine dining experience here. Even a simple home cooked meal like dal or lentil soup can make me nostalgic. I present to you a familiar dish, stuffed fish cutlets with yum yum dipping sauce that has a personalized touch, yet it tastes like home away from home. So, let's get started.
Spicy minced prawns stuffed with cod fillets in pesto green marinade, steamed to perfection and coated in breadcrumbs, then deep fried until crispy, flaky, and golden brown. For the list of ingredients, please check the description box. Since cod is a flaky fish, it cannot take a stronger marinade. However, the salt and sour trick helps to get rid of odors and reduces the cooking time as the acid of the juice softens the connective tissues of the fish. The pesto green or mint cilantro marinade imparts a garlicky, aromatic nuttiness coupled with the spiciness and tanginess from the Indian spice mix and greens. Emulsion means a mixture of oily and watery liquids by force, like whisking or blending vigorously two unmixable liquids like oil and water to combine. Pesto contains water from basil leaves and plenty of olive oil that is broken down into a thick, creamy paste by partial emulsion. Use mustard oil to cook the prawns to enhance the taste and flavor of the dish. Roughly chop the onion, ginger and garlic. The fish stock or broth enriches the taste and brings a complex level of flavor to the dish. You can use tuna or crab meat instead of prawns. Coarse mustard paste adds a distinctive warm and mildly spicy flavor to the fish. Steaming fish is a simple cooking technique that is traditionally used in Chinese and French cuisines, where the protein is steamed in a bamboo steamer set in a wok filled with a few inches of boiling water, and it gets cooked in its own flavor-filled juices. You can add aromatic ingredients for extra flavor. Set all the items in the breading counter in the given order: prawn potato mixture, steamed fish fillets, flour, beaten eggs, plain breadcrumbs. For more details on poaching and deep frying techniques, please refer to the link of my previous video given in the description box. Previously, savory fried items used to make star appearances in my home once or twice in every 2 months. Thanks to the cook taste test format, quite a tongue twister, I can happily gobble up 1 or 2 guilt-free, all in the name of work. I love my job, guys. If you want, you can spice up the breadcrumbs with your choice of seasonings. You can give any desired shape you want. Make sure that the oil is not too hot. The ideal oil temperature for frying is between 350 to 365 degree Fahrenheit. Frying in small batches will ensure that the oil temperature doesn't drop too low. For healthier choices, you can even opt for oven baked or air fried options. Fish plays an integral part in the Southeast Asian cuisines. Whenever I prepare a special fish-based dish, it reminds me of home, away from home. Especially those fond memories of Ma experimenting with various types of fried or baked fish items to add newness in terms of flavor and texture. If you like the video, please press the like button. And guys, like, share and subscribe. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.